So this is a project that I have worked on before. They said they were mowing, and all of a sudden it just kind of stopped. When I had got it, I believe I changed the pull cord, and the normal stuff like sharpen the blade and that type of thing. Bag on them? I don't know. Take a look at that. I think it is though. Yeah, most definitely it is. Anyway, but then it just stopped running. So it's kind of odd. It's a Kohler. I really don't like these types of engines. So I already pulled it over. It definitely has compression. It definitely has fuel in there. So why don't we see if we can't take this, shove some in here. Okay, right out. Give her a yank and see if she'll turn it on. Definitely turned on. Let me jack it up and we'll see what we have going on in here. So I have you at a different angle. I have a feeling that there's just water in here. Let's find out. 10 millimeter. That's on right. That's good. I didn't think it was a choke, but that's on right. Maybe I was the one who did this. I don't know. This is a long time ago, so I'm assuming if it was something I did, it would have brought back. But maybe not. I need a wrench. Because while the socket fits now, it may not fit when I get the bowl nut off a little bit. Let's also take a white cup, clean it out a little bit. Some carb cleaner. Let's see if we can capture. No, I think that's going to happen. We're going to have to take it off. I don't really want to take it off. This one's stripped. No. Okay. Oh, wait. I know what the problem was on this one. The exhaust auto choke was the problem. That's why. I remember now. I had to replace this whole mechanism. Oh man, it's 90 something degrees out, but yesterday it was 100 and something degrees out, and I am dying today. The humidity is like 4 times of what it was yesterday. I don't know why. Can I just not take the fuel line off? That's coming off anyway. Hold it out. Let's just take a clips. Well, if we already have it this far, we might as well just do the whole thing. Let's go to the carb station. Okay, so let's see what happens. I'm using the white cup so I can see what's coming out. Yep, definitely water. And a lot of it. Everything seems to be clean, but definitely water. See, that bottom section's all water. So, let's pour this out. I'm going to take a, while you're looking at that dry, I'm going to put this back. Let's wipe it out first. Let's see if there's more water in the tank. I don't see any more water in the tank, but it is pretty nasty in there. So I'm just gonna let that drain out. It's not much wet in there anyway, so it's not gonna matter too much. So let's blow this off. Close your eyes, everyone. Something tells me I didn't turn on my air compressor last night. With the exception of the water, it's actually not bad in here. Yeah, that jet seems fine. I'm going to take out this float though, it's making it dry it off a lot harder. Because we don't want any of this water in there. I'm going to turn on my air compressor, it's like at 4 psi. Okay, got that all done. Put this back together. Like I said, it looks very clean, it just had a little water in there, so I blew out all the jets and cleaned the bowl. Oh man, today's humidity is just something else. I spent all day watering, I mean all day. I turned it on when I woke up and turned it off until I woke up this morning. This large section, because I'm preparing a large project, it needs to be wet. It hasn't been watered since ever this year, so I think that has something to do with it too. That's just humid here naturally. Okay, go ahead and put this back on, see what we have. Okay, so everything's blown out, stalled, filter's not on, but that's not a problem. And let's give it a yank. Yep. Water. It's always water. Sometimes, depending on if the fuel you use is contaminated with it, or maybe it's outside in the rain or in the sprinkler, or even humidity over longer periods of time can do it. Well, sometimes the simple fixes are the best ones. Okay, well, if you like what you see, keep on watching, subscribe. See everyone later. Bye.